Coryell's class? 1.6 estimated products. Can you estimate products?
Yes.
Some vocab. Estimate. To estimate is to find out about how many or...
How much do you like now?
I'll try that again. This video is going to be really long because I asked all of you to answer my questions, and I think that was a pretty easy thing to answer. Or to finish the sentence, I guess. So an estimate is to find out about how many or...
How much do you know?
Sweet. Benchmark is a well-known number that is easy to what?
Calculate.
It's an easy number that's easy to calculate with, yeah. We already know about rounding and products. Compatible numbers, that's my favorite word. Compatible numbers are numbers that what? Work well together. In other words, you can do them pretty quick in your brain, yes? Yeah, they're compatible numbers. Okay, a couple of rounding rules. When rounding, so when we're rounding, whatever number we're rounding, we look at the boss, yes? And if the boss is 5 and above, what do we do to the rounding number? You guys, gals, if the boss is 4 and below, what do we do to the rounding number? Leave it alone. Good, good, good. And here's some examples of that. Yes, no?
Yes.
Is it the same for no matter what place value? Yes. Doesn't matter if it's the tenths, the tens, or the billionths, right?
Yes.
Rounding and benchmarks. Okay, there are 2 reasons we need to know how to use rounding and benchmarks, yes?
Yes.
Okay, reason number 1 is this helps us to see if our answer is what?
Reasonable.
We want to have reasonable answers, right? So if you do an estimate and then you do an actual, they should be pretty close, yes? And we know that they're reasonable. The second reason we need to know how to estimate is because it makes the math what? It makes the math easier and faster, right? Do you like easier and faster math? Yeah, for sure. All right, so number 9, just a quick example here. We have 24 times 39. Are those compatible numbers? Are they easy to work with? No, not together, they're not. So what could we change 24 to?
25.
We can change it to 25, right? 25 is actually a pretty good benchmark number because like quarters, right? 25, 50, so you guys can count by 25s? And 39, we change it to a...
40.
And it's a number that ending in 0. And we kind of like numbers that end in zeros, don't we?
Yes.
So when you look at this, if you just multiply 25 and 4, what's 25 times 4? What? 25, 50, 75, 100. You would count 25 4 times, right? So 25 times 4 is 100, yes?
Yes.
Where did we get this extra 0 from?
40.
The 40, we add on the extra 0 at the end, right? When I did the actual problem, I got 936, yes?
Yes.
Are they pretty close?
Yes.
So would you say that our actual answer is reasonable to the estimate?
Yes.
How about this? Is 3 and 8/10 pretty close to 4?
Yes.
Is 6 and 200 pretty close to 6?
Yes.
Would you rather calculate with 4 times 6? Or would you rather calculate with 3.8 times 6.02? So that would be what we would use to get an estimate, right?